Pay attention to DAHBOO77. Delta, Alpha, Hotel, Bravo, Oscar, 7. He's in DC right now doing live coverage from the outskirts, and just saying that that's a good source to see some of the not so mainstream media coverage right now. But yeah, that's checking with that, paying attention to mainstream, seeing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's an interesting day. The watershed precedent just took place. Maybe I should have just shaved a little bit, but anyways, peace. And just remember one thing: we can all agree upon one thing right now, and that's this country. And there's no better place to be. We always had bad leaders, and well, there's always a way out. It's not always easy. I think that's what John Bon Jovi said. There ain't no easy way out. Oh. Anyways, you're a loaded gun. Take care. I love you all.